Blue Mountain Community College in Pendleton holds about 1,200 students and 250 faculty and staff. Because of COVID-19, they are now all working and learning from home. An employee tested positive for COVID Tuesday.
This employee had been in a number of different buildings, interacted with a number of different folks, and as we did the tracing back out, the contact tracing out, we quickly discovered that there could be a possibility of a number of folks that had some limited exposure to this person.
Blue Mountain Community College has several campuses in Oregon. The quarantine only affects the Pendleton operation. It comes at a time when Umatilla County is awash in COVID virus, with cases nearing record highs 2 weeks after the huge rodeo and gathering of the Pendleton Roundup. School President Mark Browning and his wife were at the Roundup.
My wife and I both chose to wear masks, and especially during the first couple of days when we were at Happy Canyon at the bull riding. I felt like people were very respectful. There wasn't a lot of mask wearing, that's for sure.
That's what I've heard, like maybe 10%.
Yeah.
Umatilla County's public health officer, Dr. John Hitzman, was there too as a volunteer in the medical tent.
The mask usage probably fluctuated between, maybe 10 to 20%. It wasn't zero. There were quite a few people, but certainly nowhere near a majority.
The Roundup ran from September 15th through the 18th. Dr. Hitzman said the week after, the county COVID case number hit 313. The following week, it jumped to 505 cases. This week, it's still growing. But Tuesday, the county had 167 cases, more than any other county in Oregon for that one day. Dr. Hitzman said at least 100 COVID cases have been tied to the Roundup.
Obviously, the public health director and myself had numerous meetings with the Roundup and Happy Canyon Executive Committee. And basically, the things that they said they were going to do just were not stringently enforced, which, you're in a difficult position.
He said many rodeo fans don't like masks or vaccines or government mandates. Dr. Hitzman believes some ignore the advice of health professionals and ended up helping to spread the virus.
But we've told people if you feel sick or you're not feeling well, stay home. And that clearly did not happen. People who were not feeling well clearly came to the rodeo and spread the virus.
Pat Doris, KGW News.